Do you need some help getting ready for the Praxis Elementary Education Reading and Language Arts exam? That is exam code 5002. My name is Elizabeth. I'm a college professor as well as a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we will walk through 4 practice questions covering the speaking and listening competency. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Which of the following is commonly expected in the closing segment of a spoken presentation? Would it be A, a restatement of the introduction, B, a wrap-up of the key points, C, a joke to connect with the audience, or D, a strategy to catch the audience's interest? We would not choose a restatement of the introduction, since stating the introduction typically is not expected in the closing segment of a presentation. We would not choose a joke to connect with the audience. Although humor does have a place during parts of a presentation, a joke might actually distract from the professionalism or finality of the conclusion. We can also eliminate using a strategy to catch audiences' interests, since this would be a key goal at the beginning of the presentation, not at the end. After eliminating the distractors, we can conclude that option B, a wrap-up of the key points, is the best choice in the closing segment of a spoken presentation. Which of the following techniques would be the best way for a teacher to communicate better with an ELL? Would it be A, the teacher should not repeat complex sentences, B, the teacher should use contractions when speaking, C, the teacher should not alter the pace of speech, or D, the teacher should rephrase statements as needed? ELL stands for English Language Learner. Having said that, let's go ahead and eliminate the incorrect options. The teacher should not repeat complex sentences is not an effective option. Repeating complex sentences can sometimes help reinforce a student's understanding, but repeating them in the original form might still be confusing to an ELL. Next, we can eliminate option B. While using contractions such as can't instead of cannot is natural in conversational English, they may confuse an ELL who is still learning the nuances of English grammar. Next, we would eliminate option C, the teacher should not alter the pace of speech. Maintaining a standard pace of speech may be difficult for ELLs to follow, especially when they're processing a new language. Not altering the pace is not the best approach to improve communication. The correct answer is D. The teacher should rephrase statements as needed. This approach helps ensure that the student understands the content being communicated. Which of the following is the best way for an active listener to respond to the speaker? A. Tell the speaker their opinion of what they heard. B. Take notes on what the speaker has said. C. Paraphrase back what they heard. Or D, be quiet until the speaker is finished. This approach is not indicative of active listening. We can also eliminate option B. Taking notes on what the speaker has said can help us retain information, but we are trying to demonstrate engagement and active listening. We can eliminate option D, being quiet until the speaker is finished. Silence alone is passive and does not provide feedback to the speaker. That means the correct answer is C, paraphrase back what they heard. By restating the information in their own words, the listener can confirm comprehension and show the speaker that their message has been received accurately. Which of the following best states why paying attention to nonverbal cues is an important part of active listening? A, they help the listener know what they should say next. B, they provide the speaker something to do with their hands. C, they can give the listener an indication of what the speaker is feeling. Or D, they give the listener a place to look during conversation. They help the listener know what they should say next. While nonverbal cues may inform someone how to respond, this option oversimplifies the purpose of observing nonverbal communication. Option B would not be the best choice since it is irrelevant to the listener's role in observing nonverbal cues. We will also eliminate option D. They give the listener a place to look during conversation. While maintaining eye contact and observing body language is a great part of active listening, this answer does trivialize the purpose of paying attention to nonverbal cues. That means option C is our best answer. This explanation tells us that nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions, body language, tone of voice, and gestures, often reveal emotions and attitudes that words alone might not convey. I hope you found this video helpful and you're feeling a little more comfortable with how to approach the test. Check out more videos in this channel and like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also get a lot of help preparing for this and many other exams on the study.com website. Study well and good luck!